Hi everyone, my name's Shauna. I'm from Beechmount Sure Start. If you're pregnant or have a child aged 0 to 4 and live within the Beechmount area, you can register with us. The services we offer include antenatal and postnatal services, family support, programme for 2-year-olds and speech and language. If you'd like to get registered with us, please give us a ring on 028 90 319 634. Slán.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely summer and having lots and lots of fun at home. Today I'm going to show you how to do 2 really simple, easy, fun bear crafts for the teddy bear's picnic. For the first craft, we're going to make a bear headband, just like this one here. See? It's really simple, just like this. And what you're going to need for this is just a bit of card. Any card will do. You could use an old cereal box or a cardboard box. You'll need some black paper, some brown paper. You'll need some tape and a pair of scissors, but they can be a bit dangerous. So we're going to need some grown-up help to help us cut our shapes. Now, the first thing you'll do is you're going to take your card and we're going to cut a strip down like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just cut down a big long strip like this. Up. Perfect. And then we should have a big strip like this. And you're going to want to put it around your head like this. So you're measuring the size of your head. And if it's too big, you just cut it down to size and measure again until it's just right. And when you have the right size, you just put it together like this. Get your sellotape and you're going to tape those 2 parts together like this so they don't come apart. See? Now it's one big circle. So that's your headband done. And now you're going to want to do the ears. So you're going to need your black paper and cut out 2 shapes for the ears like this. Again, they don't have to be perfect. You want 2 little shapes like this. There's one. And we're going to do one more. Don't forget to get a grown-up to help you though. And another one. We've got 2. And we're going to do the same with the brown paper, but this time just make them a bit smaller because they're going to go on top of the black paper. So around like this. There's one. And we'll just do another one. Perfect. So that's that part done. Just set those aside. Oh, I've lost my brown one, so I'm going to have to cut another one. But it's really simple, really quick. Perfect. There we go. And then just get your card back. And we're going to cut 2 little ears. So just like me, like this. Get your scissors and go round. Like this. There's one. And we'll do another one. Here we have 2 ears for our bear. And once you've got that done, it should look like this, your 2 little ears. You're going to get a bit of glue, but I don't have any glue at the minute, so I'm going to cheat and use a bit of paint, which will work just as well. Paint the back of your black paper like this. And then you're going to stick it on to the ear. And the paint will help it stick. And then we're going to do the same for the brown paper that we cut out. Like this. Dab, dab, dab. And then just stick it on top of the black paper. So it looks like the bear's ear. And once you've got that done, first we're going to do the second one. Again, just a bit of paint or glue on the back of your black paper, stick it onto your ear, do the brown paper next, and then we're going to stick it on to the black part just like before. Perfect. So now we have our ears, we've got our headband, we just need to put it all together now. So you'll need your tape. Just hold the ear against the card and we're going to tape that on the inside. Can you see? Bit of tape to stick your ear to the headband like that. There's one. And then get another piece of tape and stick the other ear on wherever you want. See what I'm doing? Just sticking the tape on the back of the headband so you can't see the tape. And there you have your bear hairband. Just pop it on and you're ready to go to your teddy bear's picnic. Perfect. So that's our first craft done. I hope you thought it was really easy and fun.
Hi everybody, it's the team here from Beach Mind Sure Start and we are going to make a teddy bear mask. Everybody say hi! Hi! Okay, so the first thing you need to do is your template, which is quite simple, 2 ears and then the face part. You're going to put it down onto the card and draw around it. Now some we have done some of these already, so the girls are busy cutting out, but this is for the benefit of the mums and the dads. Okay, so that's your template, and then you cut your bear's face out. Okay, and then what we're going to do is, the good thing about this is that you can use paints or crayons depending on the colour of the card. We have black cards, so we're just going to use the black card today. And also when you're cutting out, remember boys and girls, whoever's doing the craft with you, make sure that they use the scissors. Okay? Right. So there's our shape. The next thing we're going to do is, everybody has like a lollipop stick. Have you got a lollipop stick? Yes. And what I want you to do is, I want you to tape, you can tape or glue your lollipop stick to the back of your bear face. Okay? We'll sit with. Alright. There you go. And we'll move that along. Alright. That's so she can hold it up in front. Alright. Is everybody okay? The next thing we're going to do is, on the table we have some paints, we have chalks, and we also have some markers, and we have some glitter as well. So you choose whatever you want to do. And what I want you to do is, we're going to have these here. Can anybody tell me what these are on the bird? The ears, yes. So you can paint your bird's ears, and then we're going to do two. What else?
Eyes.
2 eyes. And what else does he have?
Nose.
A nose, because if he didn't have a nose, how would he smell? Isn't that right? And then we're going to do his little mouth. Okay? And then we're going to give him some little freckles. Okay? So, you can use the chalks or the paints. Alright. Okay. And you can also paint your bird if you want to. I'm just going to paint directly onto the.
Anybody else need a paper, guys?
Yep.
Okay.
You give him 2 eyes.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, just 2 eyes. We're going to give him a nice red nose. Okay.
Big happy smile.
Big happy smile. Does anybody know any? I know we've been singing songs, but you could sing a wee better song if you know any. Let's see, where's the chalk? I love that, Angela. Yeah. Lovely. And there's my bear. And you can give your bird a name if you want to. Can anybody think of any bird names?
Brucey.
Brucey the bird.
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
Yogi.
Yogi. Yay. Peter.
Peter Rabbit.
Yeah. There you go. Right, do you want me to?
I need to copy people. Same.
There you go. Oh, brilliant, Angela.
Your bird has its tongue out.
He's got his tongue out, yeah. It's a good one, Kira. Okay. So everybody's busy doing their bird activity. I hope you have loads of fun making your bird. If you do make your bird, please put them up on our Facebook page because we'd love to see them. Okay.
Hello guys, how are you today? I hope everybody's fine at home. My name is Consuelo and I work from Surestar, and I am here today to do an art and craft with all of you, okay? So I think we are going to do fireworks, which I think is a lovely activity to do with the kids, and it's so much fun. They actually love it. So I got everything here. I don't know if everybody can see everything that I have around me, but I will show in the camera anyway, okay? So I got a plate where I will put on the paints. I got paints, different colors, okay? So you can choose the color that you prefer and you most like. I got some glitter. I got scissors. I got toilet paper roll, okay? And I got different cardboard colors. I have here yellow, orange, and black. I think I'm gonna go for the black one because the other colors are really colorful, so I think will be a good match and will be lovely, okay? So what we need to remember again is paint, glitter, scissors, toilet paper roll, a blade to put on the paint on it, and then the cardboard. So not that many things, which is great. So firstly, we got the cardboard, okay, and put on here in front of me. And now I am going to put on all the paint on the blade. Doesn't matter I mix each other because that is the fun to do. So you can leave the kids to do it yourself and be messy around and enjoy yourself doing the activity. So doesn't matter if the color mix each other or whatever. The good thing will be have three colors, but I just got 2 today, which is fair enough. It's fine. I'm going to put out any more of the purple one because I think it's not that much. So, as you see, I have the paint here already, okay? So now we will get, I say you need scissors as well because I got it already by myself, okay? It's all cut, so you will open it, but imagine that part is not cut. You just cut here, tiki, and do all the part around, okay? So I have done that already. So I open it like a wee flower, okay? And then I put it on top of the plate, like that. Let me see, the color mixed each other, which is great. And I put it on here. I love it. And put out a little bit more. It needs to be all around the cardboard. Mix it, and put it all together. And will be lovely. I'm going to use that one now, okay? I got a big one as well, which is from the kitchen. Just doesn't matter one or the other. And estámpasela aquí. Here, okay? And mix it. Run all around the cardboard. Getting the small one again. Okay. Can you see, guys? I don't know if you can see properly or not, but that is the way it is there. And now, to make it even more beautiful, we're going to get some glitter on it, if I can open it. So I'm not sure here. Give me a second. Oh, it's all new. here. And I am going to put on here. Oh my word, that is amazing. It's so pretty and it's so easy to make, and kids are gonna love it, which is great. So, that is the result. You get amazing, beautiful fireworks, and you can put it on your fridge and give to mommy and daddy, keep it for decorate your room, wherever you want. It's really easy activity, as you saw. Plus, kids love it. They can do everything by themselves, which is the main thing. And it's just so simple and nice to make it in the house. So I encourage everybody to do it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope as well everybody is fine at home, and I hope I will see you, all of you, so soon. Bye-bye.
Hello, boys and girls. My name's Leanne, and I work at Clamore SureStart. And today I'm going to read you the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears. Daddy Bear, Mummy Bear, and Baby Bear. Every morning, the 3 bears ate a bowl of delicious porridge for breakfast. One day, the 3 bears went for a walk in the forest to let their porridge cool down. Meanwhile, a little girl called Goldilocks was playing in the forest. As she passed by the 3 bears' cottage, Goldilocks smelt something delicious coming from inside. Goldilocks was hungry, so she peeped through the window and saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. That porridge looks very tasty, she said, and crept into the cottage. First, Goldilocks took a spoonful of porridge from the largest bowl. Ouch! She squealed. This porridge is far too hot. Next, Goldilocks took a spoonful from the medium-sized bowl of porridge. Yuck! This porridge is far too cold. Finally, Goldilocks took a spoonful from the smallest bowl of porridge. This porridge is just right. So Goldilocks ate all of the porridge and even licked the bowl clean. Now that Goldilocks wasn't hungry anymore, she began to explore the rest of the cottage. She first wandered into the living room, where she saw 3 chairs. First, Goldilocks sat down on the largest chair. Ouch! This chair is much too hard, she grumbled. Goldilocks then sat down on the medium-sized chair. Oh dear! This chair is much too soft, she said. Finally, Goldilocks sat down on the smallest chair. This chair is perfect, said Goldilocks. Goldilocks rocked back and forth until suddenly there was a loud cracking noise and the little chair collapsed beneath her. Goldilocks tried to put the chair back together again, but it was well and truly broken. So she quickly left the living room and went upstairs. In the bedroom, Goldilocks found 3 beds. She let out a huge yawn. It had been a busy day, and she was tired. Goldilocks decided to try the biggest bed. Ouch! This bed is much too hard, she complained. Next, she tried the medium-sized bed. Oh dear, this bed is much too soft, she said. Finally, Goldilocks tried the smallest bed. This bed is perfect, she sighed as she snuggled down under the covers and fell fast asleep. A little while later, the 3 bears came back from their walk. They were glad to be home again and were looking forward to their breakfast. Who's been eating my porridge? Growled Daddy Bear. Who's been eating my porridge? Said Mummy Bear. And who's been eating my porridge and it's all gone? Cried Baby Bear. The three puzzled hungry bears went into the living room to sit down. Who's been sitting in my chair? Growled Daddy Bear. Who's been sitting in my chair? Cried Mummy Bear. And who's been sitting in my chair and it's broken? Sobbed Baby Bear. Poor Baby Bear. The three bears were very upset that someone had been in their house, so they went upstairs to look around. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Growled Daddy Bear. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Gasped Mummy Bear. And who's been sleeping in my bed and is still there? Cried Baby Bear. Just then, Goldilocks woke up and saw the three bears standing over her. She screamed loudly, leapt out of bed and ran as fast as she could all the way home. I don't think she'll go into someone's house without being invited ever again, laughed Daddy Bear. Now let's make some more porridge. The end. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the story. I enjoyed reading it. Bye.